Hello friend, how are you today? I hope you enjoy and happy today. Today Uncle buy a new toys. This name is metal diecast metal. Yeah, this is metal diecast. Uncle like this toys because this is like a pickup, like a jeep, and four-wheel car. Yes, we have one. Oh, sorry. One, two, three, four. This is for vehicle for UN. UN is a United Nation or PBB, Persatuan Pertubuhan Bangsa-Bangsa Bersatu, or in bahasa Indonesia is Perserikatan Bangsa-Bangsa. Yes. And in the English is United Nation. Wow. Let's open these toys, okay? Okay, Uncle already opened the box. Okay, you can see here. This is four-wheel car for UN. This car also have rooftop in the top of this one. The glass is open. This is closed. This one. But this car don't have name like others product of Matchbox or Hot Wheel City. This is don't have name, yeah, don't have name like another video. We call it the four-wheel car for UN, pickup for UN. This name, okay. This name is UN. UN is logo of United Nations. UN 200-708. This one. But this is don't have name. Wow. This is for army. This is for army keeping the peace in the conflict area. Oh. Wow. And the next is also have pickup. Wow, have glass in the behind of head. Oh, have glass. This one. Oh, very detailed. This is don't have name because this is the cheapest one. This is cheapest model. This one. Wow. Okay. And the last is wow, Jeep military UN military. This is made from metal and the plastic. This is don't have name. This is the exhaust, and this one is engine. Wow, four wheel. This is four-wheel car. Yes. UN military. Wow, very cute. Okay, military, are you ready? Ready, sir. Okay, are you ready? Ready, sir. Yay. Oh, change the direction. Wow. Okay. And the fan is this one. Wow. United Nations have fan. Okay. Let's call another friend. Hey friend, come here. Wow. This is tank. Wow. Attack enemy. This is tank for attack enemy. Yay. And this one, whoa, what is that? Buggy, yeah, same, buggy, same like this car, like this car, same, but different detail. You can see here, and you can see here. Oh, have friend, another friend. Okay, right. Okay, let's call another. Wow, dang. Wow, this is tank, friend. Wow, this one tank. Oh, same. This is also tank. Okay, this one. Wow, Panzer. Yes, Panzer Germany. This is and this one. Wow, truck. This is truck for bring the army to the battlefield. Ooh, UN is for peace, for mediation of peace. And this is helicopter. Yes, army can also this one. Okay, and this one also. Wow, this is hovercraft for landing the navy to beach. This one. So we have so many friends of UN car. Wow. Okay, friend, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope you enjoy this video and see you again in the next video. Bye bye. I love you.